بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Today, we're excited to showcase our powerful automation tool for web scraping, designed to help you scrape data effortlessly using Google Sheets and AppScript, all without any coding knowledge. With our solution, setup is simple. In the Settings sheet, just add your website domains and the specific elements you want to scrape, like price or availability in this example. To choose the HTML elements, use Chrome Selector Gadget extension. Just hover over the content you want to scrape, and it will highlight the element for you. Once you've found the right one, right-click, and the selector will appear at the bottom right. You can then use that selector in your Google Sheets settings sheet. Next, enter the URLs you wish to scrape into the main sheet. You can start scraping manually from the menu, or schedule it to run automatically, every minute, hour, day, week, or month, based on your needs. The script first attempts to scrape using AppScript. If the page isn't rendered with JavaScript or protected, it scrapes for free. Else, if the site uses JavaScript or security features, we switch to a third-party scraper API, costing as little as 1 cent per request. All scraped data appears in the main sheet and is automatically saved in the historical data sheet, allowing you to track trends over time. ITfiers, streamlining web scraping for everyone. Unlock data effortlessly and enhance your workflow today with our smart, customizable solution. Ready to automate? Let ITfiers lead the way.